Right now, back to Bridgestone. Steve Lehman.
John, I was talking with Kevin Fiala the other day, and he said, let's face it, I was terrible in round one. It seems like the entire world knows it. It's easy to see why he would be pressing, though. The young guy last year burst onto the scene with a goal in overtime to beat the Blackhawks in Game 3 of their first round series, then broke his leg in round 2, so he wasn't really a part of that deep Stanley Cup final run. He was so anxious to get back on the ice this year for the playoffs, and I think that showed. But tonight, he made up for it, scoring the game-winning goal 5 minutes, 37 seconds into double overtime, and I caught up with Fiala in the locker room after the game.
I saw 2-against-1 with me and Smitty. Great play by Kyle to chip it, and just was hoping for a pass for him, and he saw me and just made a move and scored a goal.
You've talked about the frustrations of the playoffs for you individually so far. Is that the type of play that can get you going, you think?
Kind of. I mean, I think our line played a great game last game too, and this one is going to keep us going for sure.
What's it say about this team, the way it ended in regulation, that you came back and you controlled play in overtime and ultimately got the win? Just great character, you know. I think everybody, they tied it up late, and we just came back and we kind of didn't care, you know, just play our game, just stick to it and play our details, you know, and we know what we have to do. What's the mindset going to Winnipeg now 1-1? Steal for sure, win the next one. That's the mindset. So, John, it took a couple of overtimes, but the Predators do finally snap that playoff home losing streak here at Bridgestone Arena. This series is now tied 1 game apiece as they head to Winnipeg for Game 3 Tuesday night at 7 o'clock. JB?